Hi friends, hope you are doing great. Today we are going to see the automation script compute engine part 3 lab demo we are going to see today. So this is the automation script. So we are going to use this automation script. So with this script we are going to install an website now. We are going to launch on website. Okay, so how to do that? This is the navigation. This is the dashboard, Google dashboard. Already you know these things. So here this is the cloud shell. Activate the cloud shell. So actually there is no need to do these things. Already I said, right? So already I have done this lab, just I'm giving the voice only. So that's what. So now I will close this. No need this cloud shell. So I'm going to I'm going the navigation home page. This is the home page, dashboard. So here we have to go to the compute engine part. So just we have to click the VM, virtual machine instances. So here I will try to reduce the size. Yeah, so this is the VM instance. There is no instance now. I'm going to create an instance now. I'm going to create, yeah, this is the instance one. Region I'm selecting US Central 1, and zone US Central 1-A. So let it be mission type, and you can see these things, boot disk and service account, and allow scopes. I am giving allow full access to all cloud APIs, and firewall I am checking this allow HTTP and HTTPS traffic here. Now I am going to update the automation script. So where to update? So here we have the automation startup script. Automation startup script optional. We can choose to specify a startup script that will run when your instance boots up or restart. Startup scripts can be used to install software and updates to ensure that service are running within the VM. Okay, now I am going to copy paste this automation script. So I have given this in that description, so you can see these things. Automation script. So I have pasted the automation script here. So then here that the preemptibility of recommended and migration VM instance that is recommended on host maintenance and automatic restart on I'm doing. Now I am creating the VM now. That instance is creating now. Instance -1. I have given the zone also. So I think US Central 1 IOA something. Bin bash update, then we install something. Yes, that instance is creating now, launching now. So yes, the zone is US Central 1-A. We have given the zone is US Central 1-A zone, availability zone, then internal IP, and this is the external IP. So let me copy the external IP, and I'm opening into the new tab. Just enter the external IP, and you can see the web page now. Hello world, welcome to India, and learn Google Cloud Platform. This page was created from a startup script. So we have successfully created the website by using the startup script, friends. So then we have done with the demo today. Actually we have done the demo. So in our previous video I have used gcloud commands. Now I have used the automation script. So now first we will do something now. Okay, so here I am going to edit this, and you can see these things. So this is the automation script, startup script, custom metadata. You can, for example, if we need to edit something, then we can edit it here also. Then we have to save it, then it will, we can modify the script, or we can modify the automation script if you want. So that's what I'm not going to do anything, just I'm saying these things to you guys, friends. So that's thing. So just I'm going to click cancel now. So I have given mark you only. So if you are know about the HTML tags, then you can see about the mark you. So it will come like scroll like that only. Learn Google Cloud, it is coming, right? It will come from left to left. It will come like that only, like a train is moving, right? Like that it will come. Then for example, firewalls, I'm removing this. Just I'm clicking save. Whether the website is running or not, uh, the website will not run, right? I'm clicking refresh, but it is coming. Why means actually the history has been saved like that only. For example, if I am copying that external IP and pasting into the new tab, definitely it won't come, it won't run, right? So that is what I'm we will try that one. Okay, let's go to that VM virtual machine external IP. I am copying from this here from the dashboard, I mean VM instance. I'm entering into that new tab. Okay, then I am entering, but that website will not come. Okay, so because why it won't come means we have unchecked the firewalls, HTTP traffic we have unchecked, right? That's what, just for testing purpose only I am doing this. So then now again what I am going to do means I am going to check this one firewalls. So allow HTTP traffic, HTTPS traffic, I am checking this and updating the instance. Now instance 1. Now if you are seeing that website, definitely it will come. I am going to check this. Okay, this also running, this one also running. So just for our testing purpose I have done these things. Maybe if you are yeah, maybe if you are attending some interview, then they may ask these questions. Okay, so what I'm going to do means I'm going to I'm planning to delete this instance now. So just I'm going to delete. Are you sure want to delete instance only? Yes, it will delete it now, deleting the instance now. So now I'm going to refresh it. It's, see friends, it is loading only. So here I will here also deleting instance only. So now I will copy the external IP and enter into this. Let's try. Definitely it won't come because we have deleted the instance. So I am clicking refresh now. So again it is deleting, the instance is deleting now. Let's wait for it. Maybe it will take less than 1 minute only, not more than 1 minute. It won't take. Let's wait for it. Yeah, it is deleting now. The instance -1 we have created already, right? So that the zone is US central 1-A. So just I'm going to that. It's taking time, friends. Okay, let's see that. Yeah, instance has been deleted now successfully. So now just click refresh now. Yeah, the instance has been deleted. There is no instance now. Now just if we enter that external IP, definitely it won't come. The site cannot be reached, like that it will come. Okay, the page won't come. So here already it is loaded, right? So that's what it is coming. So we have to copy the external IP and we have to paste in new tab. Definitely it won't come. Just I'm clicking enter now. Actually it is taking time, so but definitely I will get the message like the site cannot be reached, like that I will get it. I am sure about it. If you also try, friends, you can try these things. And I have given the presentation. In that presentation I have given this word Google document link. You can open that link and you can take that script also. You can copy paste the script. Okay, so here I have given this automation script. You can copy paste it, and if you want to modify anything, then you can modify it also. So hello world only, simple program only, simple HTML tag only I have given, hello world, and welcome to India, like that I have given, learn to Google Cloud Platform, like that I have given. So here also I have given that in the PPT, in the Google presentation itself I have given that automation script for your reference. You can copy paste the automation script and you can do the demo also. If you are facing any issue, you can post the comment. I will try to resolve as much possible. Okay, so you can see now these sites cannot be reached because we have removed or we have deleted the instance successfully. That's why we are unable to see that website. Okay, the site is showing like this site cannot be reached. We have successfully done the lab, we have successfully done the demo today, friends. Thanks a lot, friends. We will see in our upcoming videos. Thank you so much. Bye.